if you are using a personal computer that you own, then you will need to download Brackets. And to get there, we are going to type in brackets.io. Okay, brackets.io. And once we go there, you will notice that we have some things that should make us pause. First of all, is that this site is not secure. Okay, I do not want you to worry about that. I have been using Brackets for years. It is an Adobe product. It's open source. It's free. It's a fantastic text editor, and this is the one that we are going to use in this class. So what I'll need you to do is click on this Download Brackets 1.14.2. And you notice that we get this little pop-up. We're going to keep it. And because I'm trying to do this on a district computer, it's not going to let me install it. But I'm going to show you the steps you're going to need to go through regardless. So there we go. You can see that it's installed, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on it to open it. And it's going to start trying to take me through the installation process. So for all of this, you're just going to hit next, and I'm going to click install, and you're going to notice that for me, I get kicked out because I don't have administrative access to the district computer. So once you get it installed, then you will be good and set up, and we will go through the next step together as far as getting Brackets set up and prepared for us to use in class. Namely, we're going to have to get some extensions downloaded. I want you to be careful with this, though, because there's lots of different extensions we can download. We're only going to download 5 or 6 of them. And yeah, so there we go. Alright, so get it downloaded and installed.